My name is Beth Phillips, and I am so happy you're here because if you are watching this video, then you are someone who is looking to get serious about your self-care and create a routine around loving on your body. We get one body in this lifetime that takes us through so much, and how much do we do for our body? Very, very little, but that's going to change right now, right? Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about the 3 products in our morning routine. These are things that I do every single day to benefit my mental well-being, my energy, my stamina, my brain, my skin, all the different things. So the first thing we're going to talk about is this amazing product. This is our collagen in these sachets, Advantage Collagen from doTERRA. They come in individual sachets that you tear open, add it to a bottle of water, a shaker cup, or a glass, and use your frother and mix it in there. And it is going to be delivering to you 9 different types of collagen tripeptides that are going to get to work on your muscles, your skin, your brain, your eyes, your hair, your nails, all the things. And so this is the best way to start your day. This is how you break your fast in the morning. Before you eat breakfast, if you're intermittent fasting, this is the first thing you do in your day is mix that sachet with some water and chug it down so that all of those nutrients are flooding your body before you take in any other food. That is your collagen. Next thing you have is your Adaptiv roller. So this is what helps with overwhelm, with stress and anxious feelings, which we feel often, right? We wake up in the morning, we've got more to get done than we know how to get done. There's not enough hours in the day, and we can start off in that fight or flight feeling, which takes our stress and kicks it up, which takes our cortisol and kicks it up. Hello, belly fat, right? So these are feelings that we can influence through natural plants, and we have that capability because of the science that went into putting these blends together. So what the Adaptiv blend does is help with feelings of overwhelm. It helps calm our nerves. It helps us to release worry. Worry can be debilitating sometimes when it's just racing in a loop around our mind. And so applying this is super easy to do. You're just going to roll it on your wrists, rub your wrists together, breathe it in. And you can do this several times a day. You can do it before you pick up the kids from school. You can do it before your husband comes home. You can do it before you go visit family, right? This is something that you can use as needed. And when you're out to lunch with a friend and they're having a hard time, this is the first thing I do is oil my friends up and be like, breathe this sucker in and just sit for a second and let it start working on your nerves and your central nervous system. So that is your Adaptiv roller. You can use it daytime, you can use it nighttime. This is something that's going to help calm those feelings of worry and overwhelm. And then motivate. This is so fun. This is like orange Skittles. This is like your burst of citrus in the morning. So you can use this again anytime during the day. I typically use it in the morning when I'm waking up. This is helpful to kind of get energized. It has mints in there, which help to oxygenate and energize our brains. It has citrus in there, which are natural mood elevators. So it's going to take our mood and give it a little bit of a boost. So you can be having your collagen, rolling on your motivate, getting ready for everything that's in front of you during that day. And then also keep it with you. Keep both of these with you, because around 2 or 3 o'clock, when you still have another half a day in front of you and dinner to make and all the things, you can be reapplying this, and that's going to help with your energy production with the mint in there. If you are stressed, you can be putting on your Adaptiv. You can do one on one arm, one on the other. This is how we get through our day as busy parents, okay? So I hope you enjoy your new products. Feel free to reach out with any questions.